then I think that you should highly consider wholesaling real estate, because this is a strategy where you can go out and flip a house in the next 30 days without ever buying it. And right now, the winter time is the best time of year to do this strategy, because right now, while everybody's hibernating during winter time, preparing for the holidays and everything, the traditional real estate market shuts down for a period of time. That means that real estate agents aren't working during the Christmas holidays. And traditionally, consumers who are buying properties slow down at this time of year because nobody wants to move during the winter time. And that's precisely why there is the least amount of competition to get discounted off-market properties at a wholesale price right now during winter. My name is Tony and I'm from Vancouver, Canada, and I've been using this strategy to wholesale houses all across the USA, Canada, and we've recently even done this in Costa Rica, in Europe, and we're expanding all over the world 100% remotely with this strategy. And if you're sitting there saying to yourself, it doesn't look like you're in Vancouver, Canada right now, well, that's because I'm in my office right now, which just happens to be a bright sunny beach in the Caribbean, where I wholesale houses 100% remotely from. And normally, I would never want to share my secrets on how I've been doing this, but because of a unique set of circumstances, I'm kind of forced to. You see, I've been doing this strategy since 2018 and making over $400,000 a year doing it. And now, my list of buyers, people who want to buy these kinds of discounted properties, has grown so big that I can't possibly keep up with demand. So I'm kind of forced to go out there and train people like you how to get started. When you close a deal and you connect it to one of our cash buyers, the homeowner gets to sell a property during the winter time that they normally wouldn't be able to sell. You, as the wholesaler, make an assignment fee. We, as a company, also make a commission. And my buyers, they're not going to go out and buy from other wholesalers. So it's a win-win-win-win all around. Now, this isn't a completely free strategy, and don't worry, you don't have to be a real estate investor. You don't have to buy properties. You don't have to do renovations. You don't even have to raise capital from investors. This is a strategy that's perfect for beginners to build their foundation on, because as a wholesaler, what you specialize in is connecting with people who want to sell their homes, getting them to agree to a discounted wholesale price, and then connecting that to a cash buyer and getting paid for being in the middle without ever buying a property. So even though you don't have to buy properties, it's not a completely free strategy. It does take a couple $1,000s to get going. But when you compare that to everything else in real estate, it's an extremely low barrier to entry, and you don't even need to be licensed. And something that most people don't know is that right now, all over the USA, Canada, and the rest of the world, there is a group of real estate investors who are silently taking advantage of the slow real estate market. When we are in times of economic uncertainty, that's when real estate investors are buying because the prices are low. Just like one of my investors here, that's Yanis, and he's looking to buy properties right now and take advantage of them. And it's not just him. We have a community of thousands of investors just like him looking to buy these kinds of properties. It works even better during economic uncertainty, because this is a time when our investors are looking to buy at a discounted price. So when you use my blueprint that I call the Wolf Method, you're gonna learn everything you need to do step by step on how to get started wholesaling real estate in the next 48 hours. You don't need to be a licensed real estate agent to do this strategy. Wholesale the deal or get them to list it with you on the MLS. This is why all of the smart real estate agents are doing both wholesaling and traditional real estate. Click on the link below, sign up to the free training where I'm going to show you how to become a real estate wholesaler in the next 48 hours.